My new camcorder, which is a V750 from Panasonic, claims to have extra anti-wind noise protection in the fact that it's got all this little turret arrangement around its microphone. As someone else described it, it's a bit like a filler shave, and it's also on the front. Protection there. But I've been most disappointed how it still suffers from wind noise. It strikes me it wants something better than that. Well, it's got a brisk wind blowing in this location. I wonder how much of it's going to be picked up with this camera, which claims to be proof against such things. I think it needs a bit more development on that front. The sun's come out anyway, so we should clearly see this next train. Yeah, certainly my ears are hearing quite a bit of wind noise here. All nice and secure. That's not going to fall off in a hurry. And it's covering all the necessary entrances to the microphone. The last time I was here, the wind noise was so much you couldn't hear me speak. I hope you can hear me today.